Hi guys, welcome to another repair video. This one I'm going to take this PS4 that I've just purchased off of Facebook Marketplace for a total of £40. Got the PlayStation with cables, 2 controllers, a couple of games as well. That didn't really say much other than the console needed a small repair. Not sure what that is as of yet, so I'm going to have a wee look at this along with yourselves. Remember, if you do like this content, or this type of content, sorry, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell notification, and also give a wee share as well. But without further ado, let's get started. So right at this moment in time, I've gone ahead and connected all the cables to the console. Apologies for the blurriness from the camera. Seems to be possibly a bit of condensation that's got inside the lens, so hopefully that's not damaged it too much at all, but say we'll get that sorted in due course. But yeah, let's see, I've got it plugged in, let's see what happens. Got a beep, blue light for a second, and then it shuts off. And now I've got absolutely nothing from both. Usually with a kind of blue light or kind of going on and shutting off again, it could be one of three things. It could either be from the power supply, which I'd probably say very little chance that that's usually the cause of it. However, this one may possibly be that, purely on the basis that it does absolutely nothing. After it's tried to power up, it does absolutely nothing. The other two things it could be are either dry solder joints underneath the APU, faulty bad batch from the very beginning when this PS4 first came out. There was a lot of them that the APU would end up with dry solder joints underneath it, and that would just basically cause a beep on, beep off, a beep on and shut off. However, because there's nothing else actually happens on this one, I'm not going to suspect it is that. I am possibly going to be pointing towards more the power supply. So I'm going to have a wee look and see if I've got a spare that I can fit into this, a known good one that I've possibly got there. Put that in it and we'll see how we get on from there. I'll be back. So after some extensive searching, I do have several power supplies, all of which are different models as well. As you'll see from the pins inside this one, you can get it to focus. That is a 4-pin connection. That one. This one here is a 5-pin connection. And we've also got another 4-pin connection. But looking at the two 4-pin connections, they're both slightly different. And yeah, as I say, this could be quite concerning if it is this, and I don't have the correct one, but we shall soon see. So get the console open to gain access to the power supply. We first of all need to take a T8 Torx. There's a security screw on the bottom, or sorry, on the back of the console, but for the bottom half of the shell. And we just take that, put it back the way. Now, some of the times these do just pop off. However, if they don't, there is a little seam on the side. You can get a wee pry tool onto there. Pops out there. Same on this side. Just lift it towards the back. And pops that off there. So let's see. Right, okay. So seems to be quite a little bit of what looks like possible liquid damage. So we might need to investigate that as well. Let's take this off. But this could also be pointing towards what our issue is. We shall soon see. So we take the two Phillips screws for the power supply metal bracket, on the metal shielding, and yeah, you can see a bit of corrosion on the top there, so I might need to get that cleaned off. But I'm purely just stripping this down for testing purposes. And looking at the connector side here, let's have a look. Right, so it's a 4-pin connection, so we can rule out this top one. That's going to be no use. There, and then we've got more gate screws, one at the side, one at the top, and another one on the side here. Now, looking at the placement of these screws, I think I might be in luck with the actual power supply being the same as this one, because yeah, the placement of the screws. So let's roll that out, which means that we do have a working power supply to be able to test this unit. So once you've got all the screws out, you can just literally pry the power supply up and out of this place. That's fine. So we know that that one's the one that's been originally in the console. Put this one in place, slot that down, connect that out, screws back in. Now if this does work, I will be going ahead and stripping the rest of the console down, but I won't need to do that on this video, purely because I have shown videos before of stripping PS4 consoles down, and to be honest, there is plenty around online to basically show you how and how to do it. Yeah. Let's just get this put back into place. Screw the metal shield down. Now I won't need to bother about putting the bottom cover on, purely for testing purposes. That should be absolutely fine. But we shall put the connector in. Crackle, so that's a good sign. Plug in the HDMI cable. Let's turn the TV on and see what we get. So, moment of truth. There we go. We've got power. Console seems to be booting up. Let's change the channel and see if we get anything coming up on the screen. Use that white light, and there we have it. Take the camera stand into place. There we go. So that one was probably the first that I've ever had that's just been a power supply issue. So that's a win, I'd like to say. Yeah, as I say, what I'm going to do off camera is get this one all cleaned up, give it a thorough test, new thermal paste, things like that as well, just purely to make sure that everything's serviced and that it's going to run, and then be ready for resale. But yeah, as I said, very, very quick, short video on this one, so I'm quite happy on that one. But yeah, once again, thanks for watching, and I'll say again, as I say in every one of my videos, if you do like this type of content, once again, please like, subscribe, and turn on those bell notifications. Once again, thanks for watching.